Hi Janine, thanks for asking about our beautiful 2011 Jeep Compass 70th anniversary. It's front wheel drive, 2.4 liter, 172 horsepower CVT. It's going to get you up to 27 miles per gallon. This is a vehicle that is definitely worth coming up from the Keys for. It's got 88,350 miles. It's a trade-in. It's in very nice condition. It has a perfect CarFax. As you can see under the hood, everything's nice and easy to get at. It's a front and wheel drive 4-cylinder. Everything's visible, everything's clean. The whole vehicle is very nice. You got fog lights, because I know it gets dark there in the Keys. And also you got a power seat, tilt steering wheel, volume on the back of the steering wheel, volume and station you can change, AM, FM with a hidden CD player. You've got the custom upholstery, you've got cup holders in the back, lots of leg room, floor mats. You got a cargo mat, and what's nice about this vehicle is you have a spare tire, because a lot of cars today don't come with spare tires, and when you're out there in the Keys you want a spare tire. Has 4 matching Firestones with wheel locks. It's a very nice vehicle. Let me know when you can come up and see it. It's Fritzy at 954-406-1433. It's Delray Buick GMC. Thank you.